Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to try out another use case of Microsoft CoPilot. In the last video, we had tried out the use case of writing an essay on a historical figure. Her name was Florence Nightingale. You can see it here. It is on our screen, and we also added some of the information regarding her last years and the reason for her death. So that was included on our request by Microsoft Copilot in the essay. You can see it here. In the last paras has given the additional information regarding her age of death, the reason for death, and what she did during her last year. So everything was given. You can see it her condition gradually including her 60s, allowing her to engage more actively with friends and family. So she also suffered from mysterious illness. Everything it is given, and we really appreciate the way Microsoft Copilot has written the essay for us. Now let us try out uh, the use case of travel. So I want to travel to say Chennai on 2nd of December this year, and we will use Microsoft Copilot to find out the frequency of flights, which flights are available to fly directly to Chennai from Vadodara. And then later on, the letter query, we will ask to find out the cheapest flight. So let us go. So writing Microsoft Copilot is very long. We can ask her for a nickname. She might give us some nickname. Okay, so you can just call me Copilot. Got a ring to it, don't you think? What is next on your agenda? Okay, I am traveling to Chennai from Godra. I should correct this. I should write flying. So we have to be very precise in some places, and you have to give extra details in some places to make it easy for Copilot to do the job for you. To Chennai, please help me find out direct flights on. I will do this on 2nd December. Direct flights that day. Okay, so it is suggesting us can check some uh, flights that are available on the websites like my Make My Trip and Flight Connections. The flight duration is approximately 2 hours and 10 minutes. I will write you check the websites, tell me the direct flight available and December 2024. So we are given the task to Copilot to check the websites and return us the answer for the direct flight. So it is returning it the answer. So there is a direct flight with Indigo from Vadodara to Chennai. The flight departs at around 6:55 and arrives in Chennai at 9. The approximate fare is 5,762. So now we will query whether the Air India flight is there or not. Air India flight available instead of Indigo will return us. It seems that on December 2, there are no direct Air India flights from Vadodara to Chennai. The only direct flight available is the on that day is Indigo Airlines. So that's very nice, precise answers that Copilot is giving us. Now we will change the query. Please find the cheapest flight between Vadodara to Chennai, 2nd December 2024. It can have multiple stops in between. So the more precise you are in your query or in your prompt, the more precise Copilot will answer you. Allowed to help with that opportunity. I'm able to post directly myself. Okay, so now it has answered us negatively that it cannot directly uh, browse flight websites by itself. Can check sites, Make My Trip, Expedia, and Google Flights for options with multiple stops. Usually, they have filters to sort by price, so you can find the cheapest deal. So it is indirectly helping us, but it cannot directly search the websites for such data. Earlier, it gave us a very good answer that on 2nd December, there are no direct Air India flights from Vadodara to Chennai. Only flight is Indigo Airlines. And before that, it also returned us data that there is a direct flight with Indigo from Vadodara to Chennai. Flight will depart at 6:55 in the morning and arrives in Chennai at 9:05 in the morning. Approximate fare is around 5,762. So I don't know why it did not return a precise answer here, but earlier it was checking out the websites and returning us with some precise answers. Maybe in future it will be able to browse the websites directly. And in the next video, we'll try out some more use cases of Microsoft Copilot. So see you there. Bye bye.